What's up, everyone? We're gonna start building out the van. We got the MaxxAir fan on the left. Yeah, let's do it.
What's that? You want to see the man in charge?
Here's the man in charge.
What can it be now? Well, what you really want to measure is this and this. That's going to be up on top. It's 2 feet. But I'm saying outside, vision that outside.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So now your solar panel has to be somewhere here. How long you say the solar panel?
59.
You're still going to have enough. 59 would only be about here.
Well, we gotta make sure we also count the rails.
You could put the rails right inside the edge of the solar panel.
This is the Z bracket for the...
That way you got the rails inside here. I think you're gonna have plenty of them up here.
MaxxAir fan.
That's a nice one.
So we built a template to help us cut the size of the fan's mounting surface. Online, a lot of people say you want to be careful of the metal shavings because once you drill and cut, metal shavings will get into your van and you don't want those to be caught in here and start rusting and make little dots. Once you make the 4 dots, you can start drilling your pilot holes. Daylight! That looks good. So we're gonna cut the rest of our holes and make them a bit bigger.
No lovey-dovey! We ain't got time for that now! I want to hear something out of you, Lim.
She's nervous.
Tell me you're alive, Lim.
I'm gonna curve it a little.
Don't curve.
Come at an angle, man. Then come back the other way. Once this is out of your way, it'll come out the other way.
Alright, I'm pulling it up.
I'll come in from this side nice and straight.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't.
You can cut that, man.
We're just trying to paint up the bare metal. Get some hair in that paint.
Hey!
Hey.
Is that alcohol to clean it?
Yep, that's decarbonated alcohol. Get some beetle tape together. The right size.
Like making a cake.
Here it goes. Here it comes. Should I just get the rest of them done? There we go. Last one. Woohoo!
Huge amount of these guys.
Huge amount of these guys. New one. Cut the top. Poke it open. Here we go.
Quality patient work.
Oh, let's put it the right way, right?
And then make sure the wire goes
Make sure
down.
the wire's in, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Moment of truth.
Oh, yeah. Woo! It's in.
We're full-time van lifers, and this is our van, Sugar Cube. Let us give you a tour. Me and Olivia built this van from scratch. We had 0 experience. We wanted to do van life. So if you're DIYing, the whole build is on the YouTube channel.
That's not nearly as good.
Make sure to like and subscribe.